Hi again from John's Model Works. Some of my viewers had a question about how to use Parafilm M. Well, it's not that hard to use. I've already cut off a chunk of this stuff from the roll, and you peel off the backing here. It's not that hard. Of course, it's going to look hard because I'm trying to do it on camera while you're all watching, so it makes it that much more difficult. Anyway, there's the stuff. This has got a lot of paraffin wax in it. First thing you do is you grab it by both ends and you stretch it like this. And you do it until it's just about ready to break, which we'll learn by trial and error. And then you set it down and you let it relax. And now all this part in the center is much, much thinner than it used to be and much easier to work with. So what you do is now you cut off the parts that didn't stretch, because you're not going to use that. And I'm just going to do a quick example here on my buddy Kelvin here. So in order to use this stuff, paraffin wax molds easily to surfaces. Okay, and it will adhere to surfaces if you give it a push, a nice firm pressing. It will stick, but not very hard, like this. So see, as you can see, it is sticking to the surface of the ship. Lovely. Now then, to expose parts for masking, I think I showed some of this before, but it's really quite simple. You pick a spot and you get your nice sharp X-Acto blade out and you carefully cut out a square. I'm just using the panel lines themselves as a guide because I can see them and I can feel them with the tip of the blade. And now that I've cut out this square here, I am just going to peel that up, and then I'm going to have to push it back down again because it curled up a little bit around the edges. Nice thing about this stuff is if it pulls up a little too much because I'm rushing to make the video, you can kind of push it back, stretch it a little bit around the spot where you boo-booed, and then seal up any messes. So now I am ready, if I hadn't painted this spot already, to get out my light gray color, airbrush that light gray, and then when I'm all done, it just comes off like that. There you go. That's how to use Parafilm M as a masking film. Have a nice day. Bye.